Hey there YouTube, and welcome to part 17. So what are we at? I put my drawers together and I have the cable tray in, which runs from one side to the other. What we're going to do now is we're going to make a little frame that kind of drops below that, and it'll have like a shelf, a suspended shelf for the power supplies and stuff like that. So that's going to hang down from underneath there. Be all open this time, nice and neat. No false panels or any of that carry on. So the plan is on this side, I'm going to have like a wooden panel here, if you like, to all the AC will come from there, and they can all be ducted along the cable tray and zip tied in there. It came out nice and neat. So quite pleased with that now. I have some of the cables ran, as you can see, down through the duct. The rack is fully wired. All the interconnects, mains, all the grounding, everything is done up there. So we're getting closer. We're getting closer, guys. So we'll be back when I get this shelf done. I have my second layer of LEDs in there as well underneath. So they're the same as the ones up top, and there'll be one more layer on the shelf that goes across over the radios, so the whole place will be very well lit. Okay, let's get this shelf made and we'll be back then. About an hour later, that's what I've come up with, and once I get a coat of paint on it now, it'll look okay. I'm just going to paint it black because it's in underneath, and plenty of room on there for all the power supplies and whatever other little menageries I want to put on it. So let's fill up some of the holes and get some paint on it. Right, so there we are. Coat of black paint on it, so it'll look nice and neat and underneath. It's even painted up underneath as well, so this stuff dries pretty quick, so should get it fitted in an hour or so. So that's it for that, and come back and show you when I have it fitted. Alright then, so there it is, fitted, and a couple of bits of stuff. I've added some LEDs under here as well, just for when I'm in under here doing stuff. And I made a bracket there for these two fans. They just kind of blow cold air up to kind of help with the cooling from the exhaust fan on the amp. So what's to do? I have to get me mains sorted out over here on the left somewhere, and that'll be the start of it then. So actually I have loads of room there to put other things on this shelf if I need to. So we're doing okay. We're making progress. I have me balun, my low pass on the wall. So we're getting there. So we'll leave it there for part 17, and we're getting very close, aren't we, Giz? Yeah, we are, he said. So happy days. I'm quite pleased with how things are progressing along. I'd like to see it going a bit faster, but this is the bit that kind of takes time, because you're trying to plan out where you're going to put things and what it's going to look like and stuff like that. But all that mess of wires, that'll be all gone when I have it wired up. So there you have it. So stay tuned, guys, and if you're new here, make sure you subscribe, and we'll be back again soon with some more. Oh, I guess we will. Okay, 7 trees, guys. This is George, GI 7 Kilo Oscar. Bye bye.